I'm gonna show you how to reset the service engine soon light on your Infiniti. This is a G37X. It's a 2010. It's got 153,000 miles. You see right there, almost 154. But I'm gonna show you how to reset this. I watched a few videos on YouTube and it did not work for me. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I'm gonna show you the steps they went through. They say first you get in your vehicle. And what you want to do is turn the vehicle on without starting. So you may have to push that button once or twice until all the lights come on. But don't put your feet on the brakes because it'll start it. You just want to turn it on. And once you turn it on, within 3 seconds, you want to push that gas in, accelerator in 5 times within 5 seconds. Okay, and once you do that, you take your foot off the accelerator. You wait for about 7 seconds. They said exactly 7 seconds. Then you want to push and hold in the gas or accelerator for 10 to 15 seconds. And I've tried it both ways. I did it for 10 seconds, then I did it another time for 20 seconds. But then they say after the 10 to 15 seconds, the service engine soon light should start blinking. As you can see, mine didn't start blinking. Then they say once it starts blinking, fully release the accelerator pedal, and the service engine soon light will continue to blink. Then you turn it off. Once you turn it off, you want to start this vehicle up just like a regular start. Just put your foot on the brakes, hit your start engine, and it starts up. And he said that this light should go off, but it didn't work. So you know me, I'm old school. I'm gonna show you how we do it. It's just like a computer or anything. Sometimes it gets stuck, you got to reboot it. So what I did was went to my battery there, popped the hood up, and on this it's on the left hand side. If you're looking at it right here on the left hand side, and you take that cover off, and mine is a 10 millimeters. Mostly all these nuts and screws and stuff is in millimeters. So you take your 10 millimeter or your crescent wrench, whatever it fit, and loosen this negative pole up and take it off for about 30 seconds. And what it's doing is just rebooting the computer. And it was nothing wrong with the vehicle, it runs great. And once I left it off for 30 seconds, I put that negative terminal back on and tightened it up. And I went back to my vehicle and started it up. Like I said, this is just if you ever have problems, sometimes you just have to take that negative pole off and reboot it. Like I said, this vehicle runs great, no problems. And once I started it back up, you see that service engine soon light is gone. And we've been driving this car for about a week now and it haven't come back on. If it come back on, I'll put a message in the comment. But that's how I did it. Just loosen the battery terminal up and it usually clear all your problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.